Hey everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks so much for giving me a try. Today I'd like to flip through a couple of the classic size planners that are available at Walmart for 2021. There will be no princesses in this video. I have nothing against the princesses, they're just not my design aesthetic, and I haven't seen anybody do flip throughs of these planners yet. So there's a dashboard planner and a vertical planner. Again, these are available at Walmart. So let's go ahead and give these a quick flip through. So this first one, I believe they call, and I will link these in the description box. You can order these on Walmart. They also should be showing up in Walmart at any point. This first one, I believe they're calling Paint Splash or Paint Swish or something. Like I said, I'll link it for sure. It's vertical. It definitely would go with that Paint Splash book. It's got the typical 2021-2022 year at a glance calendars, your perpetual calendar. This is kind of a, it's really hard to tell colors. It's a greenish gray color, and then this page is a pink color with purple down the middle. And then here we go, here's January. Your currently page, it's got purple and a little bit of pink down here. This is definitely a bright planner, no neutral here. Find your wild for January. Your January calendar, purple across the top, but plain weekends. So if you're a decorator, you don't have to worry about the colored weekends. And as is common with happy planners, you have National Sticker Day on there. January monthly is purple up here, and then pink lines. And this is a very subtle pastel purple star pattern. You've got empty numbers, so you can color those in to match your spread if you want. And then these are, so far I'm not seeing any quote. Oh, here's a quote. Your potential is endless. And all of these pages, other than the quote page, are the same. February is kind of an aqua teal green color with blue down in this corner. Doors will be open to those who are bold enough to knock. And then this matches the currently page for February. Again with the teal stripes and a very teal star. Looks like we have, again, one quote in the middle of the month. March, we're back to purple and pink. So this one's going to just go back and forth between the purple and the purple pink and the aqua blue. Follow your heart. So we'll skip the rest and just look at the monthly tabs. Seek magic every day for April. May is Be Fierce. Again, very bright. If you like the paint splash, you're going to love this planner. Hustle and Heart. Anything's possible if you've got enough nerve. That's actually a J.K. Rowling quote for Harry Potter fans. This one doesn't have a quote, but you could easily stick a clear quote sticker on this page. I've done that before. Keep moving forward. Go where you feel most alive. Dare to dream. Good vibes only. The notes page, and then we've got the paint splash on the inside back cover, which I didn't show you, matches the inside front cover. And then the very back page is more paint splash in the aqua colors that matches the front. So that is your classic vertical layout option from Walmart. And here is the classic dashboard layout available from Walmart for 2021 12-month planner. White plastic discs. The other one had aqua colored, again, plastic discs. This is Walmart. Kindness Counts. Last year Walmart was my savior because I like seasonal planners, and the only seasonal planners available last year were Walmart, so I really was watching Walmart this fall for their 2021 planners, and unfortunately this is what we got. Inside cover has rainbow stripes. name page, again with the rainbows. More rainbow strips. If you like rainbow spreads, this may be a good planner for you and you don't mind dashboard. Here's the perpetual calendar. This is like a earthy green, peach, kind of a mustard yellow, an aqua color, and then we circle back through again with the same green as January. Okay, so we've got that gorgeous dark green color here for the January currently page, and these stars look black to me. They may be a very, very, very dark green, but they come off as black even live. Live Life in Color for January. And then the January monthly is actually quite neutral. There's a tiny bit of green here. These stars again are black, nothing down the center, and no colored weekends. And we've got National Sticker Day again, along with the typical federal holidays. Here is the weekly setup. So we've got green in a few places, which is my favorite color, and this earthy dark green actually in particular is my favorite color. And these are actually little grayish swishes. Nothing at the top, nothing down the spine. So if you can live with the green or figure out a way to cover it up, this may be a good, somewhat neutral planner for you. I'm not going to keep the other one, but I am going to keep this one. Just looking to see if there are quotes on any of the weeks. Every once in a while they've started putting quotes down on some of the dashboard layout pages. No quotes. Okay, so this is kind of a peachy pink color. Honestly, really do not think it goes with the orange at all, and you'll notice we've got dots at the top of this currently page as opposed to the stars at the top of January's. You've got this. And then February we continue with the dots and the peachy pink color. There's our weekly for February, the peachy pink. But again, no dots, no spray of splats, no florals, very plain, other than the color. So again, if you can find a way to cover that up, this is a good planner. No quotes. Now we go into yellow, that mustard yellow color with a very thin diagonal pinstripe kind of a pattern. Radiate Positivity. So I'm going to guess that this one's going to be yellow for the weeklies. So we've got our pinstripe still and a little bit of yellow there, but again, very neutral for a monthly. And then, yep, here we go. So we've got yellow, and just quickly, no quotes. I'd be shocked if there were quotes suddenly in this month. Okay, and now we're going to a really dark kind of aqua teal color, and we've got what looks like confetti sprinkles here. Nothing on this page, so again, you could put your own transparent quote on this page if you really like having a quote. We've got our aqua color and our sprinkles, and the aqua color here. And again, on all of these months, this is a gray kind of a swish here. Okay, so we're just going to cycle through those colors. The green and stars, the peachy and the dots, the yellow and the stripe, and the teal with the sprinkles. So we've got Good Things Will Happen, lots of rainbow, again, lots of color in the Walmart planners. June, Dare to Begin. July, It's Cool to Be Kind. Be Your Own Sunshine for August. If you do like yellow, that is a good yellow. September, Keep Life Fun. And this is a very empty page, so you really could do all kinds of things with this. I like to put a couple of goals and then use the rest as a vision board, so motivational quotes and things to help me drive me and motivate me toward my goals. Hello Adventure for October. Be Bold and Brave, November. Don't Quit Your Daydream, December. Your Final Notes page. Inside back cover matches the inside front cover with the rainbow stripe. And then the very outside back cover is just completely plain black. So if you wanted white plastic rings plain black, mostly plain black cover, relatively neutral, monthlies for Franken-planning, this might be a good option for you. So that's it. These are the Walmart Classic Size 2021 planners. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing, as it definitely motivates me to continue putting out more content. Thank you!